Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. It is with the help of Allah and then the support from people like you that we are able to, Alhamdulillah, develop a syllabus which is now used in around 600 schools and many study centers. Tens of thousands of children are, Alhamdulillah, studying this course. But there is a team behind all this to prepare these materials. For example, team of researchers, editors, designers, graphics artists, child education experts, experts on modern approaches of teaching such as NLP, memory techniques, and then a team on video and audio recording and translation of the material into other languages and so on. So to support this team, we have a proposal. Please invest in an institution that you like, or we can suggest one, and you can give us the profit to support these activities. You keep the investment with you and you may take it back or stop the support whenever you like to. But this way it will be, inshallah, a big support for the academy, because every month, honestly, we are in a tense situation as to how we can continue without enough support. On the other side, there are hundreds of schools in Hyderabad and in other cities such as Chennai or Bangalore or Calcutta where the school is ready to teach these courses. So you can use your profit to sponsor a teacher in the school of your choice. May Allah bless you in your health, in your resources, and in your family. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Oh